Hey guys, Asus is getting up to launch its ROG Phone 8 gaming phone, and this is the first look how the phone look like in the backside. We finally have a launch date to the look forward to. Asus will announce its 2024 ROG lineup on January 8 at CES in Las Vegas. And also ROG Phone 8 is launched in China on 16 January, and a short teaser video showing out the ROG Phone 8 display which come with a punch hole cutout for the first time in the series. The display will also bring a similar bezel the first ROG phone models. The smartphone comes with 6.78-inch Full HD Flat AMOLED screen with 165Hz. Of course, the smartphone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with LPDDR5X RAM up to 24GB with UFS 4.0 storage, and the Geekbench 6.1 score are already leaked. Single core score is 2213 and multi-core score is 7048 points. And the phone also comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor which is Sony IMX890, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto lens and 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the smartphone powered by 5500 mAh battery with 65 watt fast charger. So let me know in the comment section below your thought Asus ROG Phone 8. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.